The Massey Ferguson WR series is a self-propelled windrower that is strong, effective, and easy to use. Powerful engines, wide windrows, quick maneuverability, automatic transmissions, huge capacity bales, practical hydraulic systems, sturdy construction, and plush cabs are some of its advantages. It takes less time and effort to manage and store hay and fodder thanks to these machines' ability to tackle heavy-duty duties with ease. The machine can manage the demands of heavy-duty hay and forage processing thanks to its strengthened frames and heavy-duty axles. The cozy cabs offer the operator a secure and pleasant working space. In general, customers looking for a reliable and efficient windrower may consider the Massey Ferguson WR series. With the use of virtual reality technology, goggles, and external cameras, High Vision 2.0 revolutionizes working conditions and productivity for forestry crane operators. With a 270-degree horizontal and 130-degree vertical vision provided by this technology, operators may work in greater safety and comfort. Through the use of virtual reality technology, operators are able to evaluate the safety of the working environment outside the truck cabin. Utilizing an electronic joystick located on each armrest of the truck's passenger seat, the device also enables operators to control the crane. A heavy-duty tracked carrier called the PT300 was created for the most difficult jobs in the forestry and land management sectors. It is compatible with a broad variety of FAE hydraulic equipment, including forestry mulchers, cutters, stone crushers, stump cutters, and dozer blades thanks to its sturdy construction and oscillating undercarriage. The Cat C7, one Acert straight-six engines, high power and light operating weight, enable the PT300 to operate successfully on soft ground and steep hills. The hydraulic system is an excellent option for hard operations because it is built for dependability and efficiency. The PT300's roomy cab offers the best comfort, ergonomics, and operator safety available. The Case IH Vestrum CVX is a brand new line of small tractors that separate out from the competition because to their powerful performance and luxurious cab design. The Vestrum CVX is a tractor with 4 versions that range in horsepower from 100 to 130, making it suitable for a variety of farmers and operators. The continuously variable CVX drive transmission of the Vestrum CVX, which enables smooth and effective running, is one of its standout features. The Vestrum CVX is a great option for transport work because it has a range of 0 to 40 kph at 1,700 revolutions per minute, low fuel consumption, and high performance. An essential part of logging operations, the harvester head is in charge of safely and effectively felling trees. It is crucial for moving cut trees from the logging site to the processing plant because of its weight of 1,105 kilograms, which enables it to handle even the heaviest trees with ease. The hydraulic specifications for the head, which include a maximum pressure of 28 megapascals, guarantee seamless operation with little downtime. For handling larger trees, which might be problematic for other cutting tools, its 620 mm cutting capacity is essential. The 430 mm tip-to-tip delimbing diameter efficiently removes branches and bark from the tree's trunk, resulting in logs of the highest quality. Farmers looking to improve their seeding and fertilization procedures can do so with the help of Viterstad Seed Hawk air seeders. These air seeders give unmatched results in all soil types by combining accuracy, capacity, and flexibility. Farmers may utilize the air drill to the fullest extent possible for their unique growth requirements, thanks to the Seed Hawk air drill plus precision delivery air carts, which provide maximum flexibility. The opener assembly moves independently over the ground, aerating and warming the soil, applying fertilizer and burying seeds all in one motion. This effectiveness results in time savings, improved quality, larger yields, and eventually a better return on investment. The Fendt Rogator 900 series sprayer is a flexible piece of machinery made to maximize the return on investment for your business. You can easily adapt to a variety of terrain and crops thanks to its two-height adjustable clearance, which can change from standard clearance to high clearance application in less than 45 seconds. Additionally, the sprayer has the AWD Smart Drive, which continuously and independently powers each wheel for greater traction, and the integrated and user-friendly Fendt Vario terminal, which provides you complete machine control. The RG934H and RG937H models are excellent options for those wishing to advance their operation because they can do high clearance applications for late season work with the Elevation package. A strong and effective instrument for clearing tree stumps from your land is the RG165TR stump cutter equipment. It has a 16-horsepower motor, a hydraulic driving system, and a mechanism for adjusting the cutting depth to enable effective removal without leaving behind detritus. A shielding skid plate is also included in the equipment to safeguard the engine and other parts when it is in use. To avoid overpressurization and potential damage, safety elements including a safety cutoff switch and a pressure relief valve are present. For a variety of stump removal tasks, the RG165TR is a flexible and high-quality instrument. Overall, it is a solid option for those looking for a dependable stump cutter. An agricultural vertical feed mixer called the Storty Dunker T1L120 can mix different kinds of feed for animals like cattle, pigs, and poultry. It can generate up to 400 liters, 105 gallons, of mixed feed per hour with a working width of 120 centimeters, 47 inches. With a strong motor and a vertical design, it can accommodate huge amounts of feed material with ease. A feed chute that automatically delivers the feed material into the mixer ensures even mixing. The Storty Dunker T1L120 is an excellent, dependable, and long-lasting machine that may be used for a variety of agricultural purposes. With a potent 550 horsepower engine, a 22 cubic meter tank capacity, and a gearbox with more torque than any other self-propelled vehicle in the 5 to 15 kilometers per hour speed range, the Vervet Quad sets a new benchmark for slurry injection. With a maximum capacity of up to 13,500 cubic meters per minute, the large tire choice also makes it suited for every type of crop and every form of application. With a 3.00 meter width, the Vervet Quad is a flexible machine that may be used for many different applications. For farmers and business people looking to apply liquids and fertilizer in remote locations or challenging terrain, the Trax offers a novel option. Farmers who need to manage difficult conditions, including rocky terrain, uneven surfaces, and steep inclines, will find its adaptable design and adaptability to be excellent. With 3 different axle load types, Trax offers versatility in application, supporting a wide range of stock levels and needs. It is an environmentally beneficial option for individuals who want to lessen their impact on the environment because of its hydrostatic drive technology, which guarantees 0 emissions. In conclusion, Trax is the best option for those who want to stay on the cutting edge because it offers unmatched flexibility and freedom in application and area of work. The Mini Colidora TDI is a groundbreaking coffee harvesting device that provides coffee growers with many benefits, including shorter harvest times, lower costs, and the flexibility to work in difficult topographical situations. Its main advantage is that it can harvest coffee in a fraction of the time, giving growers more time to recoup and better plan for the following harvest. Additionally, the Mini Colidora TDI can save harvest costs by as much as 30%, giving coffee growers a more affordable choice. Its hydraulic adjustment system enables it to work on terrain with an incline of up to 30%, making it an excellent option for farmers in hilly or mountainous areas. The machine is also made to operate in difficult topographical situations. Farmers looking for a dependable and effective way to manage their pastures will find the Pottinger NovaCat Alpha Motion front-mounted mowers to be ideal. These mowers have a reduced 3-point headstock and working widths ranging from 2.62 to 3.46 meters, making them simpler to operate with small tractors and manage sloping terrain. Additionally, they are lighter, which facilitates movement and transportation. Servicing is made simpler by the headstock central grease point, and the front guard can be pulled back and locked into place for straightforward access to the cutting bar. The superior ground tracking and minimum losses provided by the NovaCat Alpha Motion mowers provide stable operation. For farmers looking for a dependable and effective way to maintain their pastures, these mowers are a perfect option. A UK-based business called William Morefoot Limited focuses on providing project management services for building and infrastructure projects. The business completes high-quality projects on time, within budget, and to the satisfaction of the client, thanks to skilled project managers working on a variety of projects. William Morefoot Lauderd offers consultancy services in design, engineering, and procurement, in addition to project management, working directly with clients to comprehend their objectives and create unique solutions. Overall, William Morefoot Limited is a recognized business that offers clients in the infrastructure and construction industries competent and successful project management and consulting services. For heavy-duty scraping and grading requirements, a high-performance machine called the Versatile 550 Scraper Tractor is built. It has a strong diesel engine, a robust undercarriage, and a sizable enclosed cab with air conditioning and heating for the convenience of the operator. The tractor's front scraper blade is built for optimal efficiency and is capable of handling a variety of materials, including snow, gravel, and rock. The Versatile 550 Scraper Tractor is renowned for its toughness, dependability, and capacity to perform even the most difficult tasks in the construction and agricultural sectors. Modern farming equipment like the Krone Swadro S460 is made to harvest crops in a variety of environments. It has 13 tine arms, 7 foldable and 4 double tines per arm, a single rotor rake, 3-point linkage, and a working width of 4.6 meters. It can operate in a variety of crops and environments with a power demand of 50 horsepower. Smooth operation is guaranteed by the self-centering feature during lifting, and the headstock's tracking system allows for up to 20 degrees of cornering. The 10-millimeter trailing twin tines with big winding diameter and lift effect, and the strengthened Krone Duramax cam track assure longevity while also ensuring effective harvesting. The LB436HD is a powerhouse of production and efficiency because to its Twine Pro twin knot technology, updated plungers, and innovative 2-speed gearbox. Faster ground speed is made possible by our tandem chassis, which is hydraulically supported and steerable, and our 6 twines offer 30% more loop knot strength. This results in more effective baling and less wasted twine. The LB436HD's bale density is 22% higher than the LB434XL's, and thanks to our 62-ton pressure and 500-kilo average bale weight, every bale is dense and compact. The LB436HD can handle any material you throw at it thanks to its 62-ton pickup and 48 strokes per minute. With an incredible 490 horsepower New Holland CX-8, 90 super conventional combines deliver unmatched power and capacity to the construction site. Its Harvest Sweet TM Ultra Cab features industry-leading design, gives plenty of space, and operates quietly to help workers maintain concentration throughout arduous days in the field. The effective, precise fueling system reduces operational expenses as well, enabling more work to be done with less, which results in significant cost savings. thanks to the OptiSpread TM technology, which enables wide and even residue distribution and contributes to the CX890's precision crop management capabilities. Farmers can more successfully and profitably manage their crops. Overall, for farmers wishing to advance their businesses, the CX890 is the ideal super conventional combine. The planters of the PL5000 series are compatible with a wide range of seed and fertilizer applicators and come in a variety of models and combinations. They also have a number of cutting-edge technologies that can boost crop yields and cut expenses, such as autonomous row shutdown, variable rate technology, and precision section control. They have a variety of cutting-edge design elements, such as a special wing frame construction that offers outstanding strength and stability, and a low center of gravity that lowers the possibility of planter damage. A sturdy trail disc cultivator with a capacity of up to 16 hectares per hour, the Carrier 925-1225 has a working width of 9.25 and 12.25 meters. It can be equipped with TrueCut discs that measure 450 or 470 millimeter, enabling intensive cultivation and deeper integration. The Crosscutter disc, which excels in oilseed rape stubble, cover crops, grain stubble, and plowed ground, is a characteristic of the Carrier 925-1225. The Crosscutter knife makes it possible to chop crop leftovers in two directions, enhancing germination and hastening decomposition of straw. The Pantera 4504 self-propelled sprayer is a flexible piece of farming machinery made to accommodate farmers' needs. Its 4,500-liter tank capacity allows it to swiftly and effectively cover huge areas, making it perfect for applying pesticides or fertilizers to crops. It is an all-arounder since the track width can be changed steplessly. The Pantera 4504 is available in a variety of chassis variants, including Pantera W, Pantera H, and Pantera HW to accommodate a variety of needs. Through cutting-edge features including an ergonomic cockpit, sophisticated controls, and a simplified design, the latest generation of the sprayer focuses on boosting work rates and decreasing driver workload. The Kubota RA 4513 is a small tractor that may be used for a range of chores such as farming, gardening, and other light-duty jobs. 43 horsepower is generated by the diesel engine that powers the Kubota RA 4513. It weighs about 1,600 pounds and has a compact design that makes it simple to move in small locations. The tractor is equipped with a 3-point hitch that enables it to lift and move heavy things, as well as a number of attachments that may be utilized for a variety of jobs. Fuel economy is one of the main advantages of the Kubota RA 4513. Because of its fuel-efficient design, the tractor's operational costs may be reduced. It also has a comfortable cab that provides a comfortable working environment for the operator, and it has a number of safety features, including a roll bar and a seat belt. A variety of skid steer loaders and tiny track loaders can be used with the V20 micro skid steer attachment. The V20 is a multi-purpose attachment that may be used for a variety of jobs such as demolition, landscaping, and snow removal. It has a bucket for scooping and lifting objects, as well as a number of attachments, including a flail mower and a rock bucket. The V20's tiny size and great maneuverability are two of its distinguishing qualities, making it simple to use in confined locations and on uneven terrain. It can easily carry huge loads thanks to its strong engine and hydraulic system. A variety of liquid manure application instruments are available from Bombuca FarmStar that are developed to produce reliable outcomes in contemporary agriculture. Their Titan 1 and Titan 2 toolbars, which work with the Phantom 1 and Phantom 2 injection machines, as well as the Phantom Edge modification, are perfect for quickly and easily covering huge fields. To make turning and insertion around corners easier, these toolbars have front-folding designs. Covering 36 areas of the field at once is simple with the standard pull-type toolbar, which is also compatible with Phantom devices. Both tools can be folded vertically for simple transportation. These equipment for applying liquid manure let you run your business as efficiently as possible, whether you're working with big fields or making turns. The Pellenc Expand-R 5090 receptacle is cutting-edge equipment made to transform fruit picking. It has an automatic rollout tarpaulin system that dramatically streamlines the operation compared to conventional techniques and enables a team of just 2 workers to harvest over 300 kilograms of fruit in a single pass. A tarpaulin unrolling mechanism that is automatic on the machine eliminates the need for personnel to stoop over and pick up the tarpaulin after each row. A simultaneous picking and sorting system is another feature of the Expand-R 5090, which eliminates the need for workers to stop and sort the fruit after every row. The Expand-R 5090 is also outfitted with fans to clean the gathered fruit, ensuring that it is clear of debris and raising the quality of the crop as a whole. A strong sugarcane harvester called the Shaktaman was created to make the task simpler and more effective. Farmers can work for extended periods of time without refueling thanks to its built-in air compressor for tire cleaning and refill. Additionally, the machine incorporates an automatic cleaning mechanism to avoid overheating and guarantee peak performance. The auto-greasing mechanism also simplifies maintenance and use. The sugarcane harvesting demands are met by the 173 GP 6-cylinder air-cooled Cummins diesel engine, while the hydraulic drive for wheels and hydraulic height adjustment for the chassis enables smooth mobility over uneven terrain. Farmers can track the machine's performance in real time, spotting potential problems and assuring optimal performance thanks to the sophisticated tracking and performance monitoring system. The auto-cleaning system for the radiator helps keep the machine cool and prevent overheating. The rooftop AC for the driver cab provides comfort during hot and humid conditions. With their 5,810 air hoe drill, the Bourgault seed drillers offer a tried-and-true seeding technology. With a variety of packer options, this traditional floating hitch drill ensures outstanding flotation and single-point depth control. The spring trip design is another dependable element that ensures efficient operation. The Bourgault 5810 air hoe drill's exceptional design and workmanship make it a dependable option for farmers. The Bourgault 5810 air hoe drill's effective weight and operating force transmission ensures uniform soil penetration over the width of the drill, which is one of its main advantages. This is especially helpful in soil conditions with hard clay where other drills would have trouble. Powerful and adaptable, the New Holland Genesis T8. SmartTrack's TM tractor is made to meet the demands of modern farmers. It offers unrivaled power and productivity with 5 variants ranging from 250 to 396 horsepower. Up to 71 boosted horsepower are available via the engine power management system, providing for more time in the field and less time in the shop. Maximum comfort and convenience are offered by the newly designed cab and controls, which include the IntelliView TM12 display and Sidewinder TM Ultra armrest. The T8 has enhanced support functions to lower downtime and retain operators in the field. It is highly networked. Operators can remotely use the in-cab IntelliView TM12 display to diagnose issues and acquire a more comprehensive understanding of the machine's operation. With a 530 PTO horsepower engine that can drill, cultivate, and plant, The N530C air drill is an adaptable equipment for farmers and contractors. With 4 portions each row and a working width of up to 360 inches, its 12-row middle section, crops, inventory, and commercial operations are managed through the central commodity system, which also facilitates collaboration and real-time access to crucial data. The electric drive with section control ensures exact control over the drill's speed and direction, while the quick change blade improvement cuts change time by up to 45%. The N530C air drill allows farmers to work in low-light settings and is available in a range of operating widths and row spacings. It also offers quality lighting and simple access to meters. The Speed Rower plus self-propelled windrowers lead the sector in terms of productivity, comfort, and speed. They are 30% faster than previous versions and are the quickest windrowers on the market, with top speeds of up to 20 miles per hour in the field and 30 miles per hour on the road. Long days in the field are made much easier with the Comfort Ride TM cab suspension and TerraGlide rear axle suspension, which are both specifically made to deliver the most pleasant ride possible in even the harshest field conditions. With IntelliSteer auto guidance, the new SensiDrive TM ground drive system offers superior handling and more accuracy thanks to drive-by-wire technology. Productivity is effortless thanks to this technology, which also makes it simple to execute accurate maneuvers and modifications. JCB produces the JCB 419S, a small mobile excavator. JCB, a British multinational manufacturing business, is Bamford Excavators Limited. It is appropriate for many uses, including building, gardening, and farming. It has a cab-over design for excellent visibility and a cozy working space. At 2,400 revolutions per minute, the diesel engine can produce 114 horsepower at its maximum output, and the hydrostatic drive system ensures precise control. The JCB 419S has a lifting capacity of 1,444 kilos, a digging radius of 3.1 meters, and a digging depth of up to 4.5 meters. A 4-row belt planter with a high driving speed of up to 11 kilometers per hour and potato friendliness is the Miedema Structural 4000. It is the quickest and most dependable potato planter available and is ideal for simple, location-specific planting of different seed potatoes. The special planting method reduces friction between tubers, protecting the seed potato from harm. The belt bed's open construction separates foreign objects and facilitates maintenance and adjustment. Maps of parcels may be created by the structural with the help of GPS, and the control system assures accurate planting. The precision planting method assures that seed potatoes are planted in the middle of the ridge in a single line with precise spacing, depth, and alignment. The Miedema planters also allow place-specific planting, granulate spreading, and fertilizing independently. A drilling attachment called the Atera auger drive is made for usage in the building and other sectors. It is renowned for having a powerful planetary gearbox and a cutting-edge design that guards against anti-shaft pullout. One of the primary characteristics of the Atera auger drive is its 2 inches hex output shaft, which can be equipped with an auger bit or other attachments, such as the Atera stump planer, spiral splitter, and cement mixing bowl. The Atera auger drive's mounting options are also a crucial factor to take into account. Depending on the user's particular requirements, the attachment can be put on either a skid steer or an excavator. The skid steer standard or flip mount options make it easy to attach and detach the drive, while the excavator mount option provides a secure and stable attachment. The Delta Track is a robust, flexible piece of heavy equipment with unrivaled strength and dependability. To do difficult jobs and cut operating expenses, it requires an engine from industry partners like Cummins, Cat, and Camso. Fuel-efficient engines on the 530, 580, and 620 models ensure reliable and comfortable rides over even the roughest terrain. The sophisticated undercarriage of the Delta track, which consists of track rollers, sprockets, idlers, and track frames, guarantees outstanding traction and toughness. With cutting-edge technology like touchscreen displays, GPS systems, and climate control, the largest cab in its sector offers a cozy and roomy working space. The forestry sector has a solution called 4-stack Bale accumulator. It makes it possible to handle forestry operations effectively, including the transportation and storage of bales. The system is made up of a platform that connects to numerous sensors and forestry-related machinery, including loaders, forklifts, and bale trucks. The storage and delivery of bales are then optimized using this data, resulting in less waste and greater effectiveness. Managers can track the condition of their operations and make data-driven choices, thanks to 4-stack Bale accumulators, real-time monitoring, and reporting capabilities. The New Holland CR1090 combine has the biggest capacity of any agricultural machine in the world, with a capacity of 10.90 cubic meters. In comparison to rivals, it can harvest more grain in a single pass, saving time, fuel, and manpower. As a result of the CR1090 combine's reduced fuel use and grain loss, farmers are now more profitable. Through the twin rotor design, which releases grain rapidly and gently, resulting in minimum damage and loss, it achieves the best-in-class grain and straw quality. Straw is a great option for farmers because of its outstanding baling qualities due to the moderate inline crop flow. The forestry sector uses the cutting system Krone EasyCut TC Connect. It enables autonomous tree cutting to a predetermined diameter, enabling precise and effective tree harvesting. The technology employs a computerized cutting head that is remotely controllable, making it simpler to utilize in challenging terrain. Real-time connection between the cutting head and a control center is made possible by the TC Connect function, allowing for precise control of the cutting operation. To optimize the cutting process and increase efficiency, this system can also be connected with other forestry management tools, like GPS and aerial imaging. A professional-grade organic weeding tool, the Rotary Hoe RH600M1, has a strong 2-cylinder diesel engine that can handle even the most difficult jobs. With a cutting width of 600 mm and a depth of 150 mm, its high-torque rotary hoe can cut through dense weeds. Its durable construction also includes a heavy-duty chassis and reinforced frame. Additionally, the machine has cutting-edge features like a practical joystick control and a completely enclosed cab with air conditioning and heating for the comfort of the operator.
Next, we have the automatic leek harvester. This machine features state-of-the-art technology. It has a steel knife and a shaking device. Both components work simultaneously to break open the ground and release the roots of the leek. After that, the leek is taken by a disc and placed on a conveyor. Behind the conveyor, there is a rotating knife that cuts off the leaves of the leek. Lastly, the machine automatically fills the leek plants into a box using its various sensors. The lifting device is equipped with a side shift and a hydraulic pinch to hold the boxes. It can remember 100 different box types. Now you are looking at the self-propelled Bale Baron from a Canadian company, Markrest. It gathers and stacks 21 small square bales into a bundle and ties the bundle together with twine. The bundle is then transported with a front-end loader. This eliminates the manual labor involved with producing a small square bale. It has a 173 horsepower motor and can package 1,100 to 1,200 bales per hour. It is capable of road speeds of 12 miles per hour. Next up, we have the RoboFlail 1. This remote-controlled mower makes mulching on slopes up to 55 degrees easy and safe. This is because of its wide track and low center of gravity. Thanks to the mower deck position between the tires, the RoboFlail 1 can run and mow the grass in both directions at a speed of 5 miles per hour. Additionally, it eliminates the need to take turns that consume time. A single tank fill is sufficient for a full day of operation on the RoboFlail 1, which has a 25 horsepower gasoline engine. The manufacturing company behind this incredible mower has also produced other models and attachments based on customer requirements and demands. Have you ever seen a combine harvester harvest and thresh on the steepest field? Take a look at the Duet's FAR M35.75. The back wheel can extend and adjust to keep it horizontally straight regardless of the slope of the crop field. And it can do this all with its 138 horsepower engine, even when its 4,400 liter grain tank is almost full. The Duet's FAR M35.75 has a cutting width of 9 feet and 11 inches. It has not been in production since 1993. Sloped terrain does not always pose extra challenges. Sometimes on a flat path, you have to deal with a straight fence line, which makes it arduous to mow the vegetation around it. That's why the famous Danish company Green Tech designed the RI-80. It's a 2 feet and 7 inches diameter mowing disc attachment that can go around any obstacle, whether they be fence posts, crash barriers, or trees. The circular design with a metal plate on top keeps the fence safe while mowing. You can mount this attachment on tractors and loaders using attachment frames. Now you're looking at the Damcon cultivator. This machine uses vibrating tines with goosefoot hose to loosen and aerate the soil. Further, the roller breaks up clumps of soil and smooths the surface. As a result, you get fertile soil for plants to grow optimally in a tree nursery. In addition, the Damcon can be equipped with extension pieces, torsion weeders, or finger weeders to eliminate unwanted vegetation from the rows. These cultivators are available in different sizes and models, perfect for different crops and soil conditions. Here we have another machine from Damcon. It's a tree pruner that is ideal for pruning orchard trees. This machine has a long cutting blade that, with its rotating mechanism, revolves around the plant and can prune a yaw tree as tall as 10 feet in one go. The blade can also be angled at 30 to give a proper cone to the trees. Multi-rikes from Damcon are available to mount and use this tree pruner and easily navigate through the narrow lines of orchards. Next, we have the Bale Super Splitter. With its powerful hydraulic system, this industrial wood processing machine splits logs of various sizes by applying 35 tons of splitting force. It can split logs up to 24 inches long and 30 inches in diameter, and has a 4-way splitting edge that reduces the number of splits required. You can use its wireless remote control to control this machine from a distance. Also, it comes equipped with a 2-inch coupler that makes it easy to tow and transport. The Autopic GTI is a top-notch shaker from the Spanish agricultural machine manufacturer Acruzen. It has a clamp head with rubber studs capable of firmly holding a tree trunk as large as 20 inches in diameter. While shaking the tree trunk, this machine opens a smooth and sleek umbrella on which the harvested fruits fall. All the fruit is gathered in the receiving container under the clamp head. The receiving container has a hatch that can be opened to directly unload the harvested fruits into a transport trailer. Bales are wrapped in plastic film for several reasons. This includes preventing moisture damage, increasing bale density, and enhancing hay fermentation. This pull-type bale wrapper machine automatically performs this task. It features a mechanical cut and hold system that tightly holds the film in place and automatically cuts it at the end of the cycle. The bale guide rollers help keep the blade center on the wrapper, even on slopes. The turntable belts enable the bale to revolve to wrap uniformly. This machine can wrap bales that are up to 5.6 feet in diameter and 5 feet in circumference. Next, we have the Auger Torque Cone Crusher Bucket. You can attach this attachment to a mini excavator or loader to turn it into a powerful and effective on-site material processor. It can process up to 5 tons per hour for mixed materials and up to 9 tons per hour for bricks. It efficiently processes various construction materials, such as clay bricks, lightweight concrete blocks, hollow concrete blocks, concrete pavers, asphalt, etc. The output material size ranges from 40mm to 70mm, offering an ideal aggregate to meet the requirements. Believe it or not, this beast is called the Potato Mouse 5. Even when it is named after a small animal, this has pretty big benefits. Thanks to this machine, the efficiency and profitability in starch potato farmlands are increased and enhanced. On the sieve belt, the potatoes are moved via a machine to a cleaning trough with 10 rollers. When loading into trucks, a 15-meter-long transfer truck is employed. A mobile pump called the Veneroni Mobile Pump ATS-44 is used in the industrial and agricultural sectors to move liquids, particularly slurry. The Veneroni Mobile Trailer, which offers a secure platform for the pump, is intended to be used with it. The pump can transport fluid up to an 8-meter height at a flow rate of up to 40 liters per minute. Additionally, it has a control panel that enables the operator to keep an eye on the pump's operation and change the flow rate as necessary. Designed for the best fruit picking outcomes, the OB100A is a high-performance fruit harvesting piece of equipment. The machine has cutting-edge technology installed, including an intelligent canopy penetration system that makes it simple for it to go through dense vegetation. Small-scale farming enterprises can employ the Bale Wrapper Mini Baler from Schreber BFT, a portable and effective baling machine. The equipment has a strong hydraulic motor that generates the force required to wrap and compact the bales. The machine's small size makes it ideal for usage in confined locations. The next machine is still from the same company, but this is now designed to remove trunk stakes from the fruit trees. This is the mechanical trunk shaker from Fuat Ovenschink, and it is made up of a rotating drum mounted on a frame and surrounded by a series of blades. Trunk shakes are processed through rotation of the drums, causing it to create movements that make the trunk shakes fall to the ground. The mechanical trunk shaker is a cheap and efficient tool that works well in vineyards and orchards. It may rapidly and effectively eliminate trunk shaking and is made to be simple to use and maintain. Combine harvesters like this are primarily used to efficiently and effectively harvest grain from a field, making it ready for storage and further processing. Yanmar has successfully mastered creating ones that are good for rice and have such versatile use. With this machine, farmers will surely be able to experience faster completion of tasks and more accurate and consistent processing of grains, hence enhancing their overall farming process and quality. Good thing that when it comes to Radicchio and other similar videos, the Orthomatic Lutuga harvester is here to help. It's made up of a cutting and threshing system that allows the machine to cut the vegetables from the stalk and separate them from the stalk and leaves. Did you know that using these chainless bale feeders from Hustler equipment provides less waste? Yeah, that's true. Although this machine is designed to take in any type of bale, it does not contribute that much to waste. That makes connecting the feeding cradle to the headstock quicker and easier. Plus, this machine also has successfully eliminated downtime and also does not need much maintenance because it does not have wear parts. A specialty trailer called the HMI Ultralift 4-bale bedding trailer is made for moving bales of bedding materials like straw, hay, or shavings. It has a hydraulic lift mechanism that is readily raised and lowered by operators thanks to a user-friendly HMI control panel. The bale's weight is supported by a stable platform in the trailer, which prevents them from shifting while being transported. This dependable and effective machine is simple to use and maintain and is appropriate for a variety of industrial and agricultural applications. The carrot cleaner is a specialist machine designed to clean and prepare carrots for storage and processing. It has a conveyor system that moves carrots through various cleaning and processing devices while removing dirt, debris, and residue from them. Because it's simple to use and maintain and handle a lot of carrots of all sizes and varieties, this effective and productive machine is perfect for large-scale farming operations. A useful tool for farmers, The carrot cleaner enhances carrot quality and yield while minimizing the need for hand cleaning and processing. Harvesting cabbage and other vegetables has never been easier with this cabbage harvester from Vanshock Machine Engineering. In order to remove the veggies from the stalk and separate them from the stalk and leaves, the machine is outfitted with a cutting and threshing mechanism. Following collection, the veggies are put into a container that can either be manually or automatically emptied. Large-scale farming operations can benefit from the cabbage harvester's excellent productivity and efficiency. It can handle many different types and sizes of cabbage and is made to be simple to use and maintain. Farmers can enhance output and cut labor expenses by using the cabbage harvester, which is a useful instrument. The Joker RT is a new line of disc harrows introduced by a German brand, Horsch GmbH. Here we have the Joker R6 from this series. This agricultural implant offers a working width of 20 feet. The front of the machine has a knife roller that effectively tills the soil, while the rear packers press down small rocks and debris left on the surface after tilling. Different types of disc tools and packers are available from the manufacturer to prepare the soil for different crops. Additionally, these implants do not bounce due to a soft ride system, which guarantees a smooth operation in the fields. Game up your routine sweeping task with the FKM series sweeper attachments introduced by a German company, Gerhard Ducker. The FKM series contains a variety of sweepers with operating widths ranging from 6 to 9 feet. These sweeper attachments are designed to be used with a tractor, truck, or loader, and they come standard with disc brushes, but the manufacturer also offers plastic and corrugated wire brushers, snow roller brushes, and honeycomb rollers on request. Let's explore the power of combine harvesters. The well-known Japanese company Yanmar manufactures these specifically for rice farming. They feature a head feeding system that cuts rice stalks. After that, a conveyor belt system carries the rice cut plants from the header to the threshing units. The threshing system operates the grain from the rest of the plants. The lighter chaff is blown away, while the heavier rice grains fall through the screens and are collected. Lastly, the separated rice grains are collected into a grain tank within the combine harvester. This is the EC Weeder, a versatile mechanical hoeing machine for all row-seeded crops. It comes in various sizes, providing a working width of up to 18.6 yards. This weeder is highly customizable. Row by row, you can change the working width from 6 inches to 60 inches. You can install various steering systems on it for accurate and effortless weeding. This includes automatic steering with IC light, row sensors, and manual steering with a comfortable seat and joystick at the rear of the EC Weeder. Additionally, numerous tools are available, such as blade holders, protective discs, tines, and various types of weeders. Let's take a look at the Dutchman truck spades. This incredible truck uses hydraulic power to drive its spades into the ground around a tree and effortlessly pull it out. You can swiftly relocate the removed tree to its new location. The Dutchman truck spades are available in straight and curved spade lengths ranging from 50 to 100 inches. Meet the legendary Guerassi tomato harvester. This machine can harvest up to 80 tons of tomato per hour. It uses a sickle bar to cut the tomato plants and then transports them to a picking unit. In the picking unit, rotating rods separate the tomatoes from the leaves and stem. Belts transport the tomatoes to a sorting unit, where an automatic sorter rejects the green tomatoes and other foreign objects. The ripe tomatoes are loaded onto trailers or bins using the efficient elevatable conveyor. Now in front of you is a utility truck mowing roadside grass with its 3 arms. These efficacious arms are the creation of a German company, Gerhard Ducker. The extension arm can be mounted on the front and top of the carrier vehicles and can work on both sides of the vehicle directly next to it. You can equip them with various work attachments, such as mowers, hedge cutters, branch saws, etc. Last but not least, we have the Atera post driver attachment for skid steers. It uses its hydraulic power to hit the fence with an impressive impact force of up to 12,000 pounds. Thanks to its nitrogen-charged power cell, the hammer actuates quickly to ensure seamless post driving with no downtime. While driving the post, the rubber isolators around the drive cell protect the attachment from vibration and pass on the optimal driving force to the posts. The attachment can tilt up to 15 degrees in both directions with the post, so you can drive posts to your desired location. This machine working its way through the ground is called the Sweer Peanut Harvester Double Master. As its name tells, this was designed to help harvest peanuts and even dry beans. Thanks to its 85 horsepower engine and trailed tractor hitch, it can work through a width of 180 centimeters and can make its 90 recollecting fingers work flawlessly, hence allowing the operators to collect beans and peanuts in no time regardless of the weather or field conditions. This machine is good at doing such because it's complete with a smart flotation system that follows the contours of the soil. This ensures that the recollecting height is kept at a constant and that the machine actually gets peanuts and beans, not dirt and stones. It also has the exclusive FABI, Low Impact Active Flow system, which allows the adjustment of the machine to ensure efficient harvest without putting the quality at risk. Apples are one of the most in-demand fruits around the globe, and what better way to supply this demand but through working with an efficient harvester like this? The Maland Munkchoff Pluckotrack Senior is a maneuverable harvesting aid capable of helping raise productivity to newer heights. This harvester can work in row distances between 3.50 and 5 meters, and tree heights up to 4 meters. Regardless of the terrain the site is in, whether it's hills or sand, it can still perform harvesting duties well. With this machine, around 6 to 8 employees can work together to harvest apples quickly. They work with up to 6 conveyor belts that connect up to 16 box carriers. When it comes to lifting these boxes, it can either be done manually or through the help of an electrically operated pump. Would you believe that this machine can work through this wide area? This is the Hemp and Vegetables Transplanter Wolf Pro 1. This high-strength steel machine works smoothly and gently as it assists the planting and transplanting of these seedlings. In addition to a conveyor belt system for quick planting and transplanting, the machine is furnished with a sizable, adjustable tray that can hold a range of seed sizes. The machine may be managed from the convenience of a seat on the machine, and the tray can be simply loaded with seedlings. A variety of safety precautions are also included in the Transplanter Wolf Pro 1's equipment, such as a rollover prevention system and an automated shutoff in the event of a malfunction. It can aid farmers in boosting crop yields and efficiency because it's simple to use and maintain. Yes, you're seeing things correctly. A machine is putting foam on plants, but this is done with a reason. Introducing the Skumon Thermal Weeding System, which is an environmentally friendly machine that helps generate and place hot foam on grass. The machine makes sure that the hot foam is at over 70 degrees Celsius, because this causes the denaturation of the proteins with the subsequent desensitization of the blades and grass. This means that the hot foam helps the grass break down easily, hence assisting in better weed control. In just one go, the Sweer Dry Bean Digger will separate all these vines smoothly. This machine is designed to assist in handling beans and pea crops in the most effective way, but still maintaining gentleness. This means separating the vines in a shorter time without sacrificing the quality of the crops. As the video demonstrates, this machine has the parallel lift front divider system that will conduct smooth vine operation even in the toughest conditions. Operators can choose using between 4 or 12 rows depending on how wide the area will be. If they need to go through rockier conditions, the machine's heavy-duty cushion shank option can also be used to help absorb the shock when striking a solid object. Now, even a single operator can clear a wide area of vines in no time. Harvesting was once done manually with farmers picking the crops one by one. However, with the Lapalm Robot Sammy 4.0, this manual and old way of harvesting is changed into a modern and automated one. Thanks to its advanced vision system, this machine is capable of harvesting the perfect condition crops. How? It simply scans through the fruits or vegetables and identifies whether they are ready for harvest. This machine guarantees farmers that only scanned and identified crops will be harvested or picked up. The field width is not an issue too, since this robot can work up to 40 rows wide. With this smart machine, both the issues on productivity and labor shortage in the fields will be solved, thus making harvest season an easier and more managed season. Weeding can be a taxing job as it requires time and a lot of effort if manually done. However, it's necessary to ensure the proper growth of crops. This is why the Bosch Deep Field Robotics developed a solution to make this task easier. This is through the help of robotics and AI. This machine includes sensors that effectively identify crops and weeds. Thanks to its precise camera technology, the sugar beet crops it goes through are analyzed real-time too. Its software now gathers that data and records it to differentiate the actual crop from the weeds. Even when it's in a different growth stage, once the machine has identified which ones are weeds, it will remove them immediately. Now, weeds are managed easier without the use of excessive chemicals. Voigt's Optionik created the fruit harvesting device known as the OB-100A. It is a flexible tool that can be used to harvest a range of fruits, including apples, pears, and cherries. The machine has a sizable hopper that can contain up to 80 kilograms of fruit, and a conveyor belt that transports the fruit from the hopper to the cutting station. The machine separates the fruit from the stem at the cutting station by using a number of blades. The blades may be readily changed if they become dull or damaged, and are adjustable to handle various fruit sizes and varieties. The chopped fruit is then moved to a different container or bag for storage or movements. The OB-100A also has a variety of safety measures, such as a safety guard to keep employees away from the rotating blades and a sensor that will cause the machine to stop if it encounters any impediments in its path. It can help farmers harvest fruit more effectively and with less human effort because it's made to be simple to use and maintain. Next up, this is the Bale Boss 4 V2. For farmers and ranchers who frequently work with hay bales, this machine is a game changer. Operators can manage hay bales more effectively than ever thanks to the Bale Boss 4 V2. You won't need to manually lift and carry the bales because the machine is constructed with a self-loading capability. You'll spend less time and effort handling bales because of this function alone. Additionally, the Bale Boss 4 V2 has a flail rotor feature, making it even more adaptable and practical for farmers and ranchers. A variety of bales can be readily cut through by the flail rotor, which is powered by the tractor's PTO. This makes it simple to convert the bales into compost or mulch. You'll save even more time and effort thanks to this innovation, which also improves the effectiveness of handling bales. 4 bale spears can be stored in the back bed of the Bale Boss 4 V2. When the bed is lifted, you can easily drop these spears so you can spear the bottom bale and hoist the stack when the bed is lowered. Hay bale handling will be considerably simpler and more effective with the addition of this capability. For farmers and ranchers who need to cultivate and till huge tracts of land, Brandt High-Speed Disc is a strong machine ready to help. This machine is designed to tackle even the most difficult tasks, and because of its strong engine and cutting-edge technology, it's one of the best tilling machines available. With a 6-cylinder diesel engine producing 180 horsepower, the Brandt High-Speed Disc is a robust tilling equipment that can handle challenging tasks and prepare fields for planting or harvesting. It's outfitted with cutting-edge technology, such as a steel disc that rotates at a fast speed and is strong and long-lasting. With a rollover protection system and a ROPS/FOPS certified canopy, the machine is also built with safety in mind, giving you the peace of mind to take on even the most difficult projects. Designed to handle round bales of up to 6 feet in diameter and weighing up to 2,500 pounds, the Tubeline BF8000 bale processor is a cutting-edge bale feeder from Tubeline Manufacturing. A hydraulic loading arm on this robust machine can lift a second bale to the field while still placing the first bale on the table. The retractable fingers unravel the bale as it's being rotated by the machine's apron chain once it's on the table. The table can be angled to maximize contact between the bale and the drum as the feeder gets closer to the core, making sure that the whole bale is fed out evenly. It's an effective tool that can reduce field effort and save time. For farmers and livestock producers who need to rapidly and effectively feed round bales, it's the perfect option because of its sophisticated design and capabilities. This is the ideal piece of equipment for anyone in the animal feeding industry because it can handle even the largest bales. The clay delver is a strong piece of machinery that can move and handle a lot of clay material in an efficient and effective manner. Its sturdy construction, which includes a sturdy frame and reinforced parts, ensure that it can withstand even the harshest materials and environmental factors. Large amounts of clay can be moved by the machine at once thanks to its strong engine and heavy-duty gearbox. Additionally, it has a number of attachments, including buckets and scrapers that can be used to spread and level the clay material as well as load and unload it. A multifunctional agricultural tool for effective crop management is the Bartafarm OW400. It has a 3-cylinder, 26-horsepower LDW 1003 water-cooled engine that enables it to easily traverse difficult terrain. This robust machine is perfect for hauling supplies, gathering crops, and clearing land. A 1,500mm operating breadth, an 800-kilogram collecting container, and a travel speed of 0 to 14 kilometers per hour are just a few of its remarkable qualities. Smooth functioning in confined locations is made possible by the continuously variable transmission and hydraulic servo steering. For farmers that need to rapidly and effectively harvest their crops, the OW400's high-rate collection capability makes it the perfect option. The OW400 aids farmers in effectively bringing their products to market by having a collection container that can empty to a vehicle on the road at 5 tons per hour and up to 8 tons per hour when the vehicle is traveling behind the machine. The Bartafarm OW400 is a strong and adaptable agricultural machine that excels in a variety of crop management duties. To sum up, the next machine is designed to help in pruning. This is the Frumaco Lunia Compact, which is a good aid in mechanically pruning fruit trees and olive groves. This machine is made with integral hydraulic drive as well as efficient cutters, which makes the whole pruning process smooth and easy. This is also complete with disc cutting bars, alternative cutting, or a combination of both models. To make this work, it can be installed on a tractor from 32 CV and have its controls in the cabin. It can be installed on tractors from 32 CV, depending on the arrangement. It has hydraulic motors that drive 2 or 3 discs. It also has an independent 4-to-1 or ADI hydraulic unit with an oil cooler. The machine also has nylon adjustable, grease-free sliders for simple maintenance and cleaning. Hydraulic adjustments can be made to angle of the incidence, operating breadth, and height of the horizontal cutting blade. For the greatest degree of control and precision, the cutting head can also be hydraulically extended and lifted. Speaking of pruning, Bartafarm also has effective and efficient pre-cutting or pre-pruning machines that promise to offer safety and productivity all at once. This makes pruning one of the most labor-intensive activities easier and faster. This pre-pruning machine is used to cut the upper canes of the grapes into small parts. This will then result in it by falling up by itself. It has other advantages aside from that too. First, it's adjustable. Using its pairs of steel knives, the operators can adjust the cutting height depending on where they start first. The maximum cutting height can be up to 100 centimeters and can be achieved with a 14-disc machine. It's also easy to handle and lightweight, which is the reason why it does not pull the tractor on the row. It's also good at handling tension since it has a good position and location of knives. This machine is also accurate without having too much of a cost. The food industry makes extensive use of the highly developed and accurate KMS cutting equipment. The equipment is specifically made to stop foliage from self-shading, which enhances the growth and development of the plant as a whole. The support system, diversity, and weather are just a few of the variables that affect when is the best time to use this equipment. The chutes must be precisely clipped 30 centimeters above the support system in order to assure accuracy. The general growth and development of the vegetation has significantly improved as a result of using this equipment. KMS cutting machines are extremely reliable and require little upkeep, which helps firms keep expenses low. Their high degree of precision is one of their distinguishing qualities. The ability of the machines to cut food products with such precision is crucial in the food business, where exact cuts are frequently necessary for uniformity and quality. The machine's intuitive controls and software make it simple for operators to change settings and create the precise cuts they require. They're also made to be user-friendly. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. And remember to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay tuned for more amazing tools and construction equipment that will leave you in awe. Thanks for watching.